Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
It's time to go get some groceries.
All right, we're at Walmart today with a short haul today. And let's get to it.
As usual, one pizza and one sour cream and onion Pringles for $1.78 per can.
All right, so we found some great value Nutella or hazelnut spread. Really what it is for $2.24. So we're gonna give it a shot. All right, grabbing some great value cookies and cream Pop-Tarts or toaster pastries for $1.50.
Okay, $1 for a French bread to make French bread pizzas, and 3 bananas, and those are 58 cents per pound. And we've got 2 limes,
44 cents each.
44 cents each. Great, and we're getting 1 garlic bulb, and they are
$3.98 a pound.
$3.98 a pound, but that's not a pound. It won't be anywhere near that. So we'll put the total of that on the screen. Okay. We need some cilantro for our cilantro lime chicken, and that's 88 cents per each. We needed some potatoes for our whole chicken that we're going to make, our spatchcock chicken, and that's
$3.78.
$3.78. We also grabbed some bread for our son to eat with his hazelnut spread or his Nutella, bacon Nutella, and this was 93 cents. And 1 thing of almond milk, and that was $2.36.
All right, so that's our Walmart grocery haul for this week. It's kind of a fill-in haul, and the total was $18.51.
Yeah, pretty happy with that. Now, we did buy a lot of the generic versions of things and stuff like that, so it kept a lot of the pre-packaged stuff, which mostly was stuff for our son, because we will actually put enough stuff on ours for the whole 2 weeks, and he will be like, oh, I still need, So most of that prepackaged stuff was his anyway, but we bought majority-wise of that stuff was in generics, and the rest was just some produce. So and we got some almond milk. So pretty close to all of it being, generic or produce. So
So let's go ahead and go to our meal plan.
Okay, so this is completing a 2-week haul, so or a 2-week meal plan. So we only got a little more than a week here. We're starting off with a whole chicken. We spatchcock that chicken and then use the leftovers to make another dish the next night. So the first night we have the whole chicken or the spatchcock chicken as we're with like little red potatoes and some roasted broccoli and stuff like that.
Yep, and then we'll take the leftover chicken. Wow. And then we'll take the leftover chicken from the whole chicken and do a Rotel chicken spaghetti.
The next night we'll probably have leftovers.
And then we're going to do pork carnitas. And again, if you don't see the recipe alert, then you can vote on that for the recipe of the week. This is a try something new, so you can vote on this for the recipe of the week.
Because we definitely have never shared it.
Correct.
As it is a new recipe. It is also supposed to be a healthy recipe, because we were looking specifically for healthier types of recipes. So this one should be a healthy one.
Yep.
All right, and we don't know if we would get leftovers from that or anything, because it's a new recipe for us. So we have scheduled a cilantro lime chicken for the next night. If we don't have leftovers, we'll move on to that.
And then we'll do leftovers from the cilantro lime chicken. We'll turn those into burritos on the next night. Because
we always have leftovers of cilantro lime chicken. It's a slow cooker recipe, and it fills it up like over halfway. It's a lot. It makes a lot of food.
Yep, it does.
And then we'll have homemade pizza.
And then the next day is Father's Day, and she hasn't told me where she's taking me yet. So we'll see.
She hasn't told me where you want to go.
Maybe it'll be a surprise. We'll see.
No
All
pressure.
right, so drop us a comment below. Let us know about your grocery hauls, how your prices are, where you're shopping, where you find the best deals. We'd love to hear We'd love to hear those comments down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekend, sometimes in between. Just kind of never know when we're going to drop one in there. But with that said, that's going to do it today for The Long Run with Joel and Chrissy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Chrissy.
And don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.